Welcome to this video on understanding Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG systems, from a software engineer and visual designer perspective. We'll explore how RAG enhances language models to provide more accurate and reliable responses. Basic AI models can suffer from hallucinations, where they confidently present false facts. This happens because they rely solely on their internal, sometimes inaccurate, training data. RAG systems use an open book analogy. Unlike normal AI that relies only on its memory, RAG uses external libraries or trusted data sources. This method grounds the AI's response in real, verifiable facts. RAG works through a three-step engineering process that ensures reliability and accuracy. Let's delve into these steps. Step 1 is the retrieval. When a user sends a query, the system searches a trusted database to find relevant documents. This quickly provides the raw, foundational data for the answer. Step 2 is the augmentation. The system combines the user's question with the retrieved data. This builds a rich instruction for the AI model, limiting it to only use verified sources. Step 3 is the generation. The AI model uses the augmented prompt to generate a natural, human-like response. The answer is fact-checked against the retrieved documents, and the system provides source citations. The impact of RAG is significant, offering up to 90% higher accuracy. It eliminates expensive retraining costs and ensures answers stay up to date with live data feeds, saving companies time and resources. A comparison shows RAG systems provide real-time knowledge, have a very low hallucination risk, and include citations. While standard AI is cheaper to implement, RAG provides significantly higher quality and trustworthy results. RAG has many real-world applications. In customer support, bots can answer frequently asked questions. In legal fields, I can find case laws. In health, it helps check the latest studies. RAG systems are building the future by turning general AI into trusted specialists. They ensure that every word generated is backed by reality, increasing reliability and user confidence.